Okay. We're taking a video now, guys.
Oh, video.
Yeah, we got a video of this is James antenna raising get together here. The Bladen Amateur Radio Society. And there's the tower up there, looking good. This is Ren over here at work. Looking good, Ren. And we got Mr. Bob. I like this design here of James's. Very nice. Support on the bottom there. Go straight up the tower. Going to have a 10-meter delta loop on there and a 160-meter dipole. And then the tri-bander up on top, which is a 2-meter, 6-meter, and a 440. For those bands. Okay, let's come back around here, get James and Bob over there putting the guide wire in place. And let's go over while they're doing that and take a look at the pulley system. Got the pulley system tied off to a tree here. This is what we pulled it up with. It worked real good. Just goes up there to a pulley up there at the top of the tree and then over to the tower where one man can stand here and lower it and raise it. Just lower it and it lays right down over there on the ground. So basically that's about it from over here. I'm going to go ahead and sign off now. This is K4IUR Dennis signing off. 73.